How to know if someone blocked you on Snapchat. If you want to find out if someone has blocked you on Snapchat, there isn't a definitive method, but we can definitely try out like 90% sure to know if they've blocked you. The first is if they were on your friends list, but now they're not in your friends list. It could mean that they might have just unfriended you, but sometimes it could also mean that they have blocked you. So in that case, you can try searching for that person's username from the very top. So if they don't appear in the search results, they may have blocked or removed you from the username as well. So if you try to search for them but you're not being able to find it. Next up is you can try to check for that person's Snapchat score. There you can see the Snapchat score, but if you can no longer see their Snapchat score, it's also another sign that they may have blocked you. You can also check if you can view that person's story, and now that you can't, then it could be a sign. You can also try to simply send that person a certain snap. So when you try to send them a snap and it says pending with a gray arrow or something, in that case also it could mean that they might have blocked you. So hopefully one of these may have helped to figure out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial. As always, see you soon in the next video.